Welcome to Heritage Mama's YouTube channel. Today we'll be unboxing the new Airtel 5G router for more productivity on this YouTube channel. So let's unbox it together. See it? We fix it outside. You can see it outside the window. Guys, unbox with me my Airtel 5G ODU router. That means outdoor unit router. So this is what we'll be using now, and let's unbox it. So let's unbox it together. Finally, Airtel remember me today. Okay. Wow. So this Airtel router. So this is the outdoor one. They'll be fixing this one outside, and it is movable in case you want to leave your house or your office. It's movable, so they will just connect it from the outside to inside. That's why they call it outdoor unit. This one will be in your room or wherever you want to put it anyways, to be inside the house to connect. You see the connection, the cables will come in here, and there's also the place for you to charge. So let's go. The Airtel ODU router. So this is the cable to fix it, and these are the clips when they want to fix it. Moving on. These are the cords. This will run from the outside to the inside depending on the distance at which they are fixing it for you. So I think there's 5-meter long cable for connection. Then in case you want to clip it to a pole or something, so you use this. Whoa, no problem. Then I think it comes with a battery. That's the beauty of it, that in case there's no power supply, you can charge this and to use it for a few hours before the power is restored. So you charge this and keep it until there is light. So thank you. We'll be making use of this for our content creation now to get better. So I've heard so much about Airtel ODU router, and I pray it works well, just like as I've heard. So this will be our new gadget. We fix it outside. You can see it outside the window. So the connection runs inside, then meet up with the indoor router, or should we call it Wi-Fi now? So all we work out together. So this is the latest Airtel 5G outdoor router. I've been connected now to the wall because of the children. So you can see now that it's already working. It's fully charged. The Wi-Fi is working, and that's the power. So this is the power bank. It's connected already, and the power bank is fully charged now. Based on what I've heard, it can still work 4 hours without the power supply. So the power bank will supply power to the Wi-Fi that will be inside. So that is it. I pray it serves purpose on themselves, and that is it. So I haven't tried this now. I can talk about it properly. I unboxed it earlier and I allowed us to use it. We connected like how many devices is it? Four devices to it, and it was super fast. It's a 5G router, a new one, Airtel. You can see it's Airtel 5G router. It has the indoor unit and the outdoor, and I was able to show you during the unboxing that there's one inside and the other parts outdoor. So that is it, and I will say that it is more or less looking like Airtel gave us for free. Yes, because I got this for 25,000 naira from their office. 25,000 naira. After the registration, they didn't give it to me. They actually told me that an installer will come to my house to install it. Yes, though it took some days, but the installer came, installed it for free without paying anything again. I only paid 25,000 in the office. So the installer came, I got the whole package, That was when I was able to unbox it. And after the installation, we began to try it and we saw that it was super fast. So it came with an unlimited data also. That is the same amount of the unlimited data we'll be doing after now, 25,000 naira. Because the unlimited data for this particular outdoor units router is 25,000. So tell me, is that not free? Yes. So even me, it was one of my husband's friends that came around and talked about it, and okay, let us try it. And it's worth it. It's the newest one. If you see the other one, we attach it to this particular video. You see that that one is with a red box. I'll attach it here if I see the picture. You see that that one is with the red box, but this particular one is coming in a white box, and you can see it. This is the one that is inside the indoor, and this is the outdoor one. And I can tell you for a fact that yes, I actually wanted to upload the unboxing alone, but I said no, let me wait, let us use it and be sure that yes, it's worth it. I will say it's worth it over and over and over again. Because being a content creator, I was just starting up, though I'm 6 months now, but in between I've been trying to look out for what to use that will help me with my data, my internet connection. And then one of my husband friend recommended this, though we are trying to look out for other ones, but those ones, they say they are not in our location and all that. But this particular one, I got it 25,000. You came to install it, not paying anything, and unlimited data is there for 30 days now. So subsequently we'll begin to do a subscription of 25,000 naira. So now it's more or less looking free, and it came with a power bank. So I also tried that. I tried the speed and I also tried the power bank. When they took the lights, the power supply was off for over 4 hours, or if not 4 hours, you know, depending on, see, all these things, don't let us just cap it. Depending on how many devices is sucking out of it, we put like 4 or 5 devices on it for close to 4 hours plus. It was still running when there was no power supply. So that means to say the power bank, which I showed you earlier in this video, works and is effective. So I would say that if you want to try a new router, try this new Airtel 5G outdoor router. They call it ODU, that's outdoor router. So try it. I recommend this. Yeah, it's a great one. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am Heritage Mama, and I talk about motherhood, marriage and relationship. But today we are talking about what will make the work easier and faster, again by the grace of God. And I know that if you try it, you will not regret it. See you again in my next video. Bye.